Hello and welcome. You're watching Buy Now Sell Now with me Somit Sarkar and my co-anchor Shreyansi Singh. Well, we had a positive start when it comes to the Nifty benchmark, but as of now, Shreyansi, we have given up all the gains and Nifty is largely flat at this point of the trade.
Well, absolutely. Good morning, Samit. And when you take a look at the market action coming in, when you take a look at Nifty, like you pointed out, lackluster day of trade coming in for the Nifty, not doing all that much. When you take a look at the sectors, though, you do have realty that is standing out because at the end of the day, yesterday, realty did go home with cuts coming in. And you do have auto as well that is also trailing behind realty. You have consumption as well, pharma holding on to that tinge of green at this point. Those are the top sectoral gainers at this point. But what's on the back foot and not doing all that well is FMCG. You've got the companies, the likes of HUL that's not doing all that well, ITC that's also holding on to that tinge of red coming in, and even Nestle. So you have all of these counters from the FMCG pack that are not doing all that well. You have the IT pack also that is taking it a little easy in trade. You have the likes of Wipro, HCL Tech that are not doing all that well. When you take a look at that particular pack, even Infosys is on the back foot at this point. You do have Reliance that's not doing all that much as well, but clutching on to that shade of green is where Reliance is also at. But when you take a look at the banks as well, not much of a move coming in, not a show of strength definitely that you see coming in from the banking pack as well. So that largely is how the picture is shaping up in terms of the sectors. Sensex also around those 77,500 levels is what you're looking at, and even the Nifty Bank not doing all that well. So lackluster day of trade, except a few sectors. You do have every other sector just sort of waiting by for cues, Samit.
Well, there's some stock-specific action also that we are seeing when it comes to PI Industries. The numbers are pretty much decent, but is the fact that the company has cut its revenue guidance from 15% earlier to now high single-digit growth, which has led to this downtick of 7% when it comes to PI Industries. That's in the F&O side. And in the F&O gainers, the top gainer today is Eicher Motor. Now, numbers were slightly below than what the street was expecting, but it's the fact that the company will be focusing on absolute profit growth and volumes going forward is something that is cheering up the street. The stock is up around 8% in trade, and Apollo Tyres also it's up around 4% post the company reported somewhat weakish set of numbers. Well, the newest kid on the block, that is Niva.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.